Look at this bird. I've never seen colors like yellow and black and white and it. I have to find out what kind of bird it is. I mean, it almost looks like a big, uh, uh, like it's just so tiny, but so pretty, and it's just fitting in with these flowers. Look at that. It's just so different. Anyways, I thought you could enjoy the beauty of the Most High's creation. Hallelujah. Every day you see something new, and it ain't like you go out every day and see a bird this color.